Let's talk about if you're self-employed, can you really buy a house? A lot of misconceptions around whether or not you can buy a house if you're self-employed. In this generation, this millennial generation, more and more people are being entrepreneurs. They're going out on their own and they are considered self-employed for tax purposes. It's okay. You can actually get a house. There's plenty of options. There's plenty of programs. A lot of them are qualified under something called non-QM, non-qualified mortgage. These are great programs that allow people who are self-employed, who maybe don't make as much as the standard money as what most people make, they could still buy a house. So a lot of people believe that, hey, I'm self-employed, I can't buy a house. That's not necessarily true. My biggest takeaway or my biggest thing that I could tell you is get us involved early, right? Have us help you look at the stuff before you actually file those tax returns. Have us involved with a tax professional so that we can actually help ensure that you get the most amount of income for qualifying purposes. But there's tons of programs out there. There's bank statement loans, lots of things like that. So I know you think, man, I may not be able to buy a house, but that's just simply not true. I'm here to help you with exactly that.